Guys, I got it back at our Kentucky base station camp. I built us a fire pit right out front here. Don't make fun of me. It's a fire pit in the front yard, but I mean, look at our neighbors. Please have some decency. But this will be convenient. I can put the doggy fence up around here and we can sit out here in the evenings now. I bought those blocks at Lowe's here in town, and I put some bottom ones to bring it up a bit from our planter area around our garage. Up there I had some extras on each side of the garage, so I took a few from there, and here it is. This is the front yard, panoramic style. That fire's really going good too. Alright guys, so we're back a little bit early here from our month-long camping trip, and we decided to come back because I got a few issues I got to straighten out here, and before we get back to our Florida compound. Right now we're back at our Kentucky compound as of earlier today, this afternoon, and we were riding on a really bumpy, hilly, mountainous road, poor road work and stuff like that. Bumps, like bump, bump, bump every other 3 feet, and this thing came crashing down. This is the blind system like you see over here, but it came crashing down while I'm driving like 65 miles an hour down the road, 2-lane highway, bumper to bumper, and it just crashed down on one of those bumps. So I got to repair that. I'm going to drill some holes and put it up there. It wasn't a plastic bracket setup. And there's one other problem I have that I have to repair this week while we're here, and it's this toilet back here in our master bathroom back here, and it's one of these toilets, and I'll show you. If you I'm going to show you with this piece of toilet paper. Throw that in there, and the toilet paper's in there. I hit my flush button over here, and it's supposed to be a macerator pump. That toilet paper's still there floating. Let's see if it sucks it down in a second. Well, it did pretty decent there, but see, it didn't empty the whole bowl of water or whatever might be in there. So I'm gonna have to unbolt this toilet and clean out that macerator. I believe it might be clogged with some paper particles or something like that. So that's a dirty job I got to look forward to this week. Wish me luck.